What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, go ahead and grab a cup of tea, grab a cup of coffee if you need to. Class will be in session today. I'm going to teach you today about two things. Number one, going to be hold the line. Write this down. Hold the line. And number two will be a break and retest. Okay. Remember, guys, from day one, I taught you guys that the money is in the charts. Your 100K is inside the charts, but I need you to know what you're looking at and looking for when you're looking at the charts. Okay, it's money to be made. Certain candles are worth more money than others, but when you study the game like this, you will see what I'm talking about. Today's lesson is going to be hold the line, break and retest. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, we gonna bring all of this out today. This is gonna be one big candle. Everybody write down boom boom candle. Okay, act like this is a big green candle. Okay, if you wanted to understand what I'm trying to tell you, act like this is a big green candle that just exploded. Okay, and it just broke through resistance. All right, if you have, watch this, this is the halfway point of this candle. When a stock breaks out, okay, it may then, that next candle might look like this. The next candle may look like this. The next candle may look like this, and then you will get a candle like this. If it remains above the line, if everything remains above the line, this breakout and retest is going to break back to the upside. Okay, that's if it holds the line. Okay, this is what you guys need to look for when you are watching a trade breakout, because sometimes you guys are chasing. You gotta hold the line. Okay, if the halfway point of a breakout candle holds, the play is going to keep going back higher. But a lot of times you guys are buying right here. You buying on this, where rookies buy at. Rookies are buying right here. Okay, newbies are buying in the wrong spot of the game. Okay, you're buying right there, and then you already feeling defeated when it comes back to where your true entry should have been at. Okay, if you are a part of the breakout, that's cool. You can take profits. If you want to come back and you need to know where to get in, you need to look for the line to be held, and your entry would be right there. Okay, watch this twice so that you guys can see this, but go look for this on a chart so that you can also match up what coach is trying to show you and teach you. Okay, let me clean this up. You guys know we keep a clean house, we keep a clean chart, we keep a clean room, we keep everything clean around here. Okay, it's a standard of excellence, guys, that I live by. All right, so let me get this stuff out the way because I need you to see what the lesson is. All right, when you have the line being held, you want to make sure you know where you're getting in at. Okay, now check this out. When you also have the breakout candle, this candle alone could be $100, $1,000, or $10,000. Okay, so you want to understand that. Now let me show you guys something. This next one is going to be called the break and retest. Okay, I need you guys to act like we were at resistance. Let me clean this up because I need you guys to see this level as well. This is going to be the break and retest that you guys need to be looking for. These are your big plays on your trades, but you got to be watching the chart. You have to use the chart to assist you, because if you don't have the chart, you're not going to see what these things are doing. You're just going to see the price action moving up and down, but you're not going to have any inclination of what's really going on. Okay, So act like this was resistance right here. Act like this was resistance, and this stock was coming up, and it finally, no, this stock was coming up. This stock was down, and it finally came up, and then boom, we had this big breakout candle here. Okay, and act like this line right here was resistance. Act like this was resistance, and this came to resistance right here. Okay, if this hits resistance, and then it breaks through, now we broke through resistance, you need to purposely wait for it to come back and test this level for the break and retest, because it's going to go back and make what's called a equal high. Okay, it's going to go back and make what's called a equal high. All right, let me switch this back, and you'll get what's called an equal high, guys. Okay, and so again, on the journey, you need to understand what the breakout or boom boom candle is doing. A run is going to happen. That's number one. Sometimes it's a continuation. Sometimes it's a break and retest, but only if 50% of the candle hold. Okay, now look at this. You have 1/3. This is the 50%. So let me just put it like this for you guys. Okay, you have the 25% mark down here. Okay, you have the 50% mark right here, and this is 100% mark at the top right there. If we hold 50% of the pullback after we break out, then we're going higher. We're going to go to an equal high, okay, or higher. Same is true in reverse. If this play came down, and let's change this color right here. Let's turn this red. Act like this was just so I ain't got to draw this all out. Same is true to the downside, okay? If this play was down and it couldn't get back above the 50% mark, it's coming back to the downside, right to the same exact level right here. Then it's going to eventually make its way down further. Okay, listen guys, I just wanted to put that lesson on you all today. You need to know the money is in the charts first and foremost. Your 100K is two places: inside your losses and inside the chart. If you learn to master both of those, you can change your life. Watch this video at least 2 times for a deeper understanding, a deeper meaning, a deeper way to take this in, okay? Because you need to see, those of you that trade with the chart, you need to see these things play out in real time. If a candle come all the way back down, just go ahead and scratch it. You need to wait, you need to process, you need to now look for some other support levels, resistance levels, things like that to hold. But if you can hold the 50% line of a move, up or down. So if the candle went down, I'll teach it down next time. If the candle was a boom boom candle to the downside, you got to draw a line halfway through that candle, and if we can't get back above that, the play gonna still come down. You guys can't be too early buying a call and the play can't even get back to the upside. Okay, you can't be trying to short a play and the play ain't even broke down 50% from the upward move it made. Let that sit. Let that marinate, guys. You need to know, okay? You need to know the rhyme and reason of how and why the money is made. How and why we jump in a trade where we jump in a trade at, okay? These things are imperative on your journey. So guys, some stocks for the week to have on your radar, okay? Tesla, look for continuation. You look for SoFi, keep your eye on Palantir, Keep your eye on Taiwan Semiconductor. You want to pay attention to certain things to see what's moving. Keep your eye on Meta. Okay, they're going to be beneficiaries if something don't shake with this TikTok thing, for example. They will be beneficiaries of things to come, meaning they can move higher. Okay, less competition, less eyeballs away from their platform, and they might take some of the market share back that TikTok took up. Okay, so again, be strategic, be logical and practical in your thinking for me. Okay, listen, guys, we're gonna make some money this week. We'll have a good time this week. Be ready to make money in both directions. Be ready to take what the market give you. More importantly, be patient, guys. Listen, this game is about risk management. Making money, that's a byproduct of you doing all the other steps the right way. For example, you need to manage your risk. For example, you need to keep your losses small to make sure that your wins are bigger, or that your wins are at least bigger than the loss. That's how you keep yourself in the game. That's how you keep your head above water. But if you are not managing your risk and you focused on the money, but you're not focused on the risk, you're playing the game backwards. You're playing the game backwards, okay? It's about risk management, and that's what helped you make the money. So I want you guys to put a premium on managing your risk, keeping your losses small, understanding patience and when to take a trade. I often say in the Discord every morning, don't swing at a pitch you don't like. Don't swing at a pitch you don't like. Wait till you see the setup that you know you're most successful with, then you strike. Don't just swing at a pitch for the sake of swinging, or taking a trade for the sake of taking a trade just because you want to serve that itch you got of taking a trade. No, you want to be methodical. You want to take the trade that makes the most sense. You want to take the trade with the most highest probability rate of you winning. That's what this game is about, okay? So listen, man, coach just wanted to tap in this morning. Hopefully you got a cup of tea. Hopefully you got a cup of coffee, whatever it is you like to indulge in the morning time. But again, get ready for this week, guys. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Everybody else consider joining the money team. Listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.